Hi, welcome back to the channel. Want your financial reports and taxes to line up perfectly? I'll show you how to change your fiscal year end in QuickBooks online. Clean, simple, and correctly, so your books close exactly when they should. If your year end date is wrong, profit/loss statement, tax prep, and budgeting all get messy. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn the exact clicks to fix it, what the setting does, and one smart precaution to avoid costly mistakes. First, sign in to your QuickBooks online account with the right credentials. Once you're on the home screen, look for the gear icon. That's Settings. Click it to open account configuration options. From Settings, go to Account and Settings, then choose the Advanced tab. This area holds the core company preferences, including accounting setup. Scroll to the Accounting section. This is where QuickBooks controls your fiscal structure and closing behavior. Inside Accounting, you'll find the Close the Books feature. If it's not already turned on, enable it. This feature lets you set a closing date. The date QuickBooks treats as the end of a fiscal year for reporting. Pick the date that matches your business's official fiscal year end. For many businesses, that's December 31st, but yours may differ. Setting this date tells QuickBooks which transactions should be considered final for prior periods. After selecting the new closing date, always click Save. That locks the change in place. Before you save, double check the date. A wrong fiscal year end can misplace reports or affect filings. If you need to make adjustments later, you can reopen or change the close settings, but it's best to confirm with your accountant before making big changes. Enabling Close the Books also allows you to set a password or lock so others can't change closed periods. Useful for maintaining clean records. And that's it. Quick, precise, and safe. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more QuickBooks walkthroughs and small business accounting tips. Drop a comment if you want a step-by-step screen tutorial next. I'll walk through the screen clicks with you. Thanks for watching, and keep those books tidy.